This video demonstrates how to play back and search for your recorded video. To view your cameras first, go to the Views section. Double-click a camera to pull it up in the View window. You can view the camera's timeline at the bottom of the window. To change the time frame that you're viewing, click on the timeline. You can also adjust how zoomed in the timeline is by using the sliders. You can also use the scroll wheel on your mouse. If the camera has audio, you can adjust it here. You can also adjust the playback speed. If you'd like to view a history of the camera's events, click on the Histogram tab. You can sort events by objects, motion, and events. To change your source type, you can click on the top. To close the histogram, click on the tab that you have open. And then select the histogram icon to close it out. If you want to view a specific time frame of footage and have it continuously play back, select the time frame in your timeline. When your cursor is this icon, you can click and drag to select a specific time frame. A new menu will appear which will allow you to continuously play back that clip with the looped playback option. To cancel the selection, select the X icon. Lastly, you can view two videos at the same time. Open a second camera. Once the camera is open, you'll see that they are playing at the same time frame. This is because the sync playback option is enabled. This allows you to view two cameras at the same time frame on the same screen.